Did you know that before there was a ChatGPT or any AI present, man had a direct line with a cloud, but it was not the cloud that you are using today. The Word of God says that mankind, whenever he was unsure of something, he could go and ask of God through a dedicated channel, and that could have been a prophet or a priest. In Acts 7 verse 38, it says, when the church was in the wilderness with the angel, which was Jesus, that angel spake to them via the lively oracles. That means that this messenger had direct connection to heaven, and whatever the people asked of this messenger, they would receive correct and accurate information which they could use to help them on their journey. Another thing you should note is that whenever the information required was needed right away, there was no problem accessing it. If the power failed, they could still access it. If there was bad weather, they could still access this cloud. There was no limitation on when, where, or at what time they could access this cloud. It was always present. Not like today's systems, whereby we have to seek information out. If there's no power, we can't get the information. And if the weather is bad, hey, trouble, trouble, trouble. So before there was a ChatGPT, there was a heavenly AI present to which you could access important information